Hello guys. Good news, very good news. I will be able to make longer videos because I got a new phone with better storage or more storage. So I'll be able to make 30-minute videos. That means I'll be able to finish this masterpiece that I've been working on. I have not posted in a very, very long time. I've been missing out. But I promise I will get to posting very quickly and a lot, okay? So, working on the birds here. Yeah, working on the birds. Gonna turn on the wood burner real quick. Oh, wrong one. It's on, heating up. I can't wait till I finish that. I think it's gonna look very, very nice. So, if you want to suggest some stuff, I have Discord and you can get a hold of me at, I think it's just Pyro Dude on Discord. So you can talk to me on Discord and ask me if suggestions and stuff, and I could maybe mail it to you, maybe. But I only do animals. On special occasions I do other things. But on a very special occasion, I don't know if this day is gonna come soon. Very special occasion. Giant sign. Or giant anything. Really just giant, because that thing is giant. Very, very giant. Okay. So, I think we should get into it. I think the wood burner's heated up. Just wait. Gotta test if it's heated up or not. I'm gonna switch the tip off. This tip is just too bent. I haven't properly cleaned it. I know you're gonna yell at me and be like, hey, you haven't properly cleaned your tips. I'll be like, yeah, I didn't. Boo-hoo. I have other ones. Let's see this. Come on. No, 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 no. Why did they come bent like this? I don't like when they're bent like this. Oh no! Oh, I gotta stop talking in this idiot voice. Ugh. Boom. Boom. That's straight. Yeah! I think I just didn't straighten that one out. Cools down so fast. Please say, oh yeah. I didn't misplace my screwdriver. So, if you want a little tutorial here. So, on a Pro Pen, 2 screws on each side. You untwist this. You untwist each screw, take them out. Little tutorial here. How to switch out a tip. Okay. Then you just plop that tip off. Insert your other tip that you want to use. And then you gotta make sure that screw is aligned, and you pick up one of the screws that you just unscrewed and you put that in there. Oh, this part's kind of difficult to film on camera. I'm just gonna do it right here, but you get it. Then screw the screws back in. Make sure they're straight and tight, or else the heat will not come in properly. Make sure it tips all the way in. or else it will not work properly. When I was a beginner, I didn't know that, and it would not burn, and then I had to get help, and then it finally worked. So I'm just getting this tip in. I'm not very fast with it because I want it to be perfected, not to have any problems. And wow, voila, you got your new tip set in there. And then if you're using the wood burning set I am, heats up and cools down very fast. So it'll be ready in a matter of 20 seconds. I would not suggest, if you have a budget of $20, sure, get a cheap wood burner, but that'll last you about half a year. If you're on a budget of $100, get one. I've got a I don't know what company it is, but I've got a really good one. I'll have to look at it later, but I don't know which company I got. Okay, let's test this thing. Yep, it's on. I'm gonna move you guys up there. This is gonna be a bit more easy. Hey! There we go. Okay, can you see it okay? Is the lighting too bright? Because I can't really fix that. Can you see the... I think you can. Yeah, you can. What if I just messed up this whole video? Oh, okay, I'm just thinking too deep. Okay. Boom. Now we're getting all... If you didn't know what this is, it's birds sitting on a window. Which I think of broken windows. Yeah, broken windows. Yeah, I'm just gonna be quiet for right now. I'm trying to get the outside layer, or the outside. I've got it at a very high setting, so it might juice out, cause I call it juicing, because as you look at my wood burning, well, it has like this outline, or the outer thing outside of it. You can see the yellow, like yellow juice stuff. If you see that, yeah, you're at too high of a temperature. I was at a too high of a temperature. It was juicing on me. I didn't want it to juice, so I really hope this camera is not, camera angle is not messed up, so then it turns out straight up instead of to the side where I wanted. It's looking pretty good so far. I think I might have to turn up the temp a little bit. I should get one of those spinner tables, but actually, I wonder why it's moving so well. Like, it's spinning so well. Oh, I gotta get to work. I gotta do at least some progress. Jeez, Dylan. You'll never finish this thing if you don't work on it. Almost got this side of the outside done. Oh, I did a mountain goat on stream when I had my Twitch account. It was so awesome. It took me a while though, but I did it. I did it and it looked awesome. But guess what? All that footage is gone now, so comment bad Twitch or something. Yeah, I don't want to do that because I might get taken down this video if I say that. Twitch ain't that bad, so they're just following their guidelines or whatever. Doing pretty good on the outer layer, outer side. I did that whole wall, whole side there. Sorry I missed Shenanigans Saturday. I just have been busy, very busy. When I got home, I didn't really feel like going down here to make a video, so I just did whatever. What we at right now? Oh, 13, 14 minutes. Decent. Ooh, I might be able to start on the inside. You know what I'm really scared about? The birds itself. Because, you know, those lines are pretty close together. Okay, I'm finishing the top half. I'm gonna have to turn up the heat a bit. It's not doing so well. Oh, I think I just found a new strat. I just went forward with this. It's not very easy to get a straight line, but I think I just found a strat to not get yellow juice. Oh my gosh, I just found the ultimate strat. Oh yeah. This is good. There. Oh. Good. Good. Oh, what the heck? Oh no. Oh, no. I can't see the lines very well up here. Do I have a copy of that paper? So Mountain Goat copy. Do I have 2 Mountain Goat copies? Oh no, come on. Come on, Birdie. Oi. I don't know that I have a copy of the bird thing. But I do have the place that I got it from, so. Where is that thing? Birds in window. Chickadees. I don't know if those are chickadees. Might as well try it. Page 50. Oh, why? Nope, that's not what I wanted. Sorry it's taking so long. I'm just really wondering where. Barn swallows. 24. Boom! Here we go. Okay. I think I got a good view of it. Remember, next I'm doing a raccoon with 1,000,000 lines. Literally, I have a picture of a raccoon that has about 1,000,000 lines on it. I wish I could see this a bit better. Not seeing it so good. I'm at about 20 minutes right now. 21 maybe. Yeah, 20 and 20 seconds. Huh. Huh. If you guys want a time lapse short of me creating something, comment what I should create and if I should do a time lapse of it on a short, because I think that'd be pretty cool. Okay, we're at 23 minutes right now. Doing pretty good on time. Think I might be able to start the inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so close to finishing the outside, guys. I've just got this corner right here left. Oh, almost. Almost. So close, guys. Oh, I think I'm gonna end it on that. I finished the whole entire outside. Now it should be a bit faster on the inside. So, see you guys. See you on the next one.